Welcome friends. In this tutorial we learn about the input and output file. Ali is a built-in type in Python. Allow access to less in an operating system independent manner. Direct modes to access a Ali are R is used for opens an already existing Ali in read-only mode. W opens a alley in write-only mode. If alley exists, it is truncated, else a new alley is created. A opens a alley in write-only mode. If alley exists, new data is added at the end, else a new alley is created. R plus LE is open in read and write mode, but LE must exist. W plus LE is open in read and write mode. LE is truncated if exist, else a new LE is created. A plus LE is open in read and write mode. If LE exists, a new data is added at the end, else a new LE is created. Append B to the mode to open LE in binary mode. Modes are passed to function open, which is used to open a LE. The syntax is LE object is equal to open and in the bracket LE name mode and bob size is equal to -1. Now we see the file object methods. Let us assume we have f is equal to open, LE and r plus. F dot read and into bracket size reads a size byte from LE and returns if size is not specified, or if size less than 0, then size reads whole LE. F dot read line reads one line from LE and returns the line. F dot read lines read all lines in LE and returns a list of lines. F dot write writes the data to LE, and F dot close the LE. This is the basic information about the file. Thank you friends.